Here at Biggs Harley Davidson, we have a 2018 Road Glide Special with lots of good stuff. Has a Reinhardt exhaust, a tour pack with a rider backrest, Screaming Eagle air cleaner, an upgraded sound system, LED turn signals, LED brake lights, highway pegs, hard lockable saddlebags, cruise control, GPS, and only 3,368 miles. Previous owner put a lot of money into this bike, so you don't have to. It's available for test rides 7 days a week here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos.